गंज बख्शे फैज़ आलम मज़हरे नूरे खुदा नाक़िसारा पीर कामिलारा
Hazrat Data Ganj Bakhsh Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi had mastery over the subjects of the knowledge of tafsir and hadith. This attainment was only through the blessings of his spiritual guide. He stated regarding his spiritual guide that his murshid was Sheikh Abul Fadl Muhammad bin Hassan al-Khatri Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, who was a scholar of the knowledge of tafsir and riwayat, that is, hadith, and the commentary and narration of a hadith.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह अज़्ज़ा वजल।